What's up everyone, welcome to Wingnuts RC. This is my all new Losi Lasernut. Well, new to me at least. I picked this thing up on Marketplace and it needs some stuff fixed on it. It needs a good cleaning and you know, we're going to do some custom stuff to it obviously. And I'm going to try to do a full video on this, you know, start to finish of what I do whenever I get, you know, a used RC that needs some refurbishing. So this is basically a restoration of RC cars. Now the first thing I always do is I make sure that there's no battery in it and I make sure everything's waterproof. So we're going to go ahead and take this receiver out of there. This should be good. This all should be good. The receiver or the servo should be good. So at this point we can go ahead, and what I always use is either like a degreaser or even simply Dawn dish soap mixed up with some water. So that's what I have in here. And we're going to go ahead and I'm going to soak this all down with soap. Let it sit for a little bit and then hose it off. All right, so now I have it all sprayed off. I'm gonna let it dry up, see what it looks like. I might go back and do a second round of this. But if it looks alright, then we're just going to jump ahead in the video. All right, so here you go. It's all cleaned and dried up now. Big difference. Looks way better. Now, one thing that I always do after I clean them is I try to go over all the hardware, anything metal, with some WD-40 just to keep it from rusting. You can see some of it's already starting to. With this one, I'll probably take all the hardware out and put it in a container and soak it in some WD-40 and then clean everything a little bit more whenever I do that. Once I got it cleaned up, I did a little bit of an inspection on it, and I knew I was going to need some sway bar end links. They broke off. Both sides are messed up, so I'm just going to get the whole sway bar kit, and that actually comes with another light kit too. It's weird that it comes with them, but I'll be able to put them on something else, maybe my Yeti. So I'm just going to go ahead and order that whole kit. It's like $23, I think, from Horizon Hobby. Aside from that, I noticed that the rear chassis support is broken, so I'm going to go ahead and order one of those. Horizon Hobbies also has those in stock, so I'll probably get that from there. And I think that there's an issue with my center diff. Whenever I was messing with that, it's just something's not working right with it. So that'll probably be the first step. I'll go ahead and tear this support brace off and get the transmission out of there and go over that and make sure everything's okay. Might be a pin broke off in there or something, but you know, I'll get a video of that and we'll see what's going on there and fix it. Other than that, you know, it looks pretty good. There's some bolts that need tightened up here and there. I have to get a front body mount. That actually comes in with the light kit and everything like that. So actually, I think the sway bar kit's separate. I think it's the body kit comes with the lights. One of them comes with lights. It was weird that it came with that, but yeah, we're gonna go ahead and order them. So it's gonna be the body kit, the chassis support kit, and the sway bar kit we're gonna get. Other than that, it looks real good. I'm real excited to get this thing going and test it out. So subscribe and stay tuned for more episodes. Thanks, guys.